Hey there, pool owners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something incredibly exciting to talk about: the 5 best robotic pool cleaners of 2024. So, if you want to get in-depth details and price updates regarding these robotic pool cleaners, check out the product links in the description box. So sit back and let's jump into the video. Number 5. OMG YBot Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Tired of cord tangling? Powered by built-in battery, sleek, designed YBot robotic pool cleaners can scrub pool surfaces of any shape with the push of a button. Cordless design ensures nimble movement and also get rid of the risk of accidental electrocution from a corded. And charging only takes around 3 to 4 hours for a full charge. Comfortable weight and figure. The compact vacuum cordless, weighing only 7.9 lbs, so we could comfortably move the pool vacuum by one hand and easy to take out of the pool. The pack comes with hooks to attach to standard pool poles. Bring your pool sparkling. Robotic pool vacuum goes about its business automatic, efficiently. Has dual motor power, 2 bottom assist scraper, 180 mm fine filter. Strong enough suction to easily pick up dust, sand, small sort, leaves and then filter. Smart navigation tech. When encountering the wall, the pool robot will automatically reverse. When the battery is low, the system automatically drives the robot closer to the shore. Comfortable weight and figure. The compact vacuum cordless, weighing only 7.9 lbs. Supported pool types. Ideal for above-ground pools and in-ground pools of flat bottom. Suitable for all lining and shapes. Suggest the pool size not exceed 500 square feet, so that the robot could clean the entire pool in about 50 minutes of one working cycle. Number 4. Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner OONG. Convenient robotic pool cleaner. The cordless automatic pool cleaner is the most innovative pool robot cleaner for max 100 in-ground pools, above-ground pools. The cordless pool cleaner robot is equipped with 5,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, which can achieve up to 60 to 90 minutes of work. It can operate without a cable attached to an electrical outlet, allowing greater mobility. IPS 8 waterproof design for battery. Lightweight and easy to clean. It's equipped with a floating handle that can follow the movement of the robotic pool cleaner. Only 12.1 lb, so it is very convenient for elders or women to take the pool cleaner out of the pool. The cordless pool cleaner can climb on max 15-degree pool slope. The robotic pool cleaner are safe for all pool types, such as concrete, fiberglass, and vinyl liner pools. Super cleaning performance. With a deflector and powerful motor, this automatic pool cleaner with a fast-moving speed and powerful cleaning ability, high frequency, fast speed, and deep cleaning, saving time and effort. With 2 large suction doors, 1 bottom brush, and a superior filter, robotic pool cleaner can trap and lock in leaves, dirt, and sand, leaving your pool water sparkling clean. Energy-saving pool cleaner. No installation and hoses, no booster pump and suction lines. Robotic pool cleaner requires minimal maintenance. Do not rely on any additional equipment to get the job done. There are 2 wide suction doors. Water flows out through the open nozzle to thrust the pool cleaner to move forward. You can adjust the nozzle by turning it to control the moving route to efficiently clean pool's floor. How to let pool cleaners go ashore. With advanced battery detection technology, cordless automatic pool cleaner will stop alongside the swimming pool shore when the battery drained out or completing the working cycle by itself. And you just need to pull up the floating handle to let the pool cleaners go ashore. Simply plug the robot pool cleaner into any 110V outlet to recharge for the next cleaning. Need about 4 to 6 hours for full charging. Notice, the cordless pool cleaner is undergoing a brand change and has 2 different brands. If you received a product from a different brand than Paxess, please don't worry. The product quality is the same, and we will still provide you with the best after-sales experience. Number 3. Automatic Cordless Pool Vacuum Cleaner. Powerful cleaning performance. Equipped with powerful dual-drive 40W motors for strong suction, and the cordless automatic pool cleaner comes with a bottom brush and dual wider inlets to easily remove tough dirt and debris, leaves, and sand, ensuring you get a sparkling pool. Easy to handle. Light and quick release design, only 10.6 lbs. The robotic pool cleaner allows anyone to easily pull the cleaner out of the water, simply out the filter pan and rinse it off with a garden hose. Cordless and hassle-free. With cord-free and IPX8 waterproof design, the HD Pool Vacuum Cleaner is free to deep clean. No more messy hoses and no more tangled cords. Simply power your cleaner on with one click and submerge it in your pool, and the cleaning process will start automatically. Smart navigation technology. The cordless robotic pool cleaner will touch the pool wall and then automatically reverse its cleaning direction. Cordless pool cleaner will automatically stop near the edge of your pool when the battery is low or when a cleaning cycle has been completed. You can easily and conveniently pull your robotic pool cleaner up using the included hook or the floating handle without entering the water. Long runtime and fast charge. Only takes 3.5 hours to fully charge and provides over 110 minutes of cleaning capabilities. The automatic pool vacuum easily cleans up to 1,076 square feet of above-ground pools to a depth of 6.56 feet. Suitable for all linings and shapes. Longer service life. Equipped with a newly designed high-quality 5,800 mAh battery, the working time of the pool cleaner is 110 minutes. The battery decay rate is slower than ordinary batteries, and the battery life is 1.5 times longer than ordinary batteries, extending the service life of the cordless robot pool cleaner. Number 2. Sauto Roker Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. The world's first best cost performance round robotic pool cleaner. Sauto Roker Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. Auto docking technology. Using the latest self-parking smart technology, the Roker Plus will park near the pool wall after completing a duty cycle, or when the battery reaches 10%. Roker Plus. With a simple twist, quickly lock or unlock to access debris collected during the cleaning process. Eco-friendly with brushless motor. It's up to you to defend the future by saving the climate. Cordless and hassle-free. The Roker Plus is entirely cordless. Just place it into your pool and enjoy. Advanced filtration system. The filter tray filters down to 180 for more easily catches all kinds of garbage. 100% easy to use. Just place the pool cleaner in the water and consider your day free to enjoy. Fits all pool shapes. Perfect for in-ground pools and above-ground pools and flat ground. Suitable for the pool where the slope gradient is less than 10. Number 1. Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Automatic Pool Vacuum. Foolproof operation. No need for manual supervision. Lightweight body. Low voltage. Low energy consumption. Wireless operation. Product advantages. The cordless robotic pool cleaner can filter and clean the bottom of the pool without changing the water, and has the advantages of a regular path, long endurance, and good cleaning effect. Water resource exploration function. After startup, when the automatic robotic pool cleaner does not detect water in the pool, the power indicator light flashes and the buzzer sounds. It needs to be placed in the swimming pool within 1 minute. When the automatic robotic pool cleaner detects water in the pool, the buzzer stops sounding, and the work indicator light and battery indicator light flash simultaneously or alternately. Added functions. Adding functions such as intelligent side stop and status prompt. When the cleaning machine comes into contact with the pool wall, it will automatically reverse after 4 seconds. When the cleaning machine needs maintenance, the robot will automatically lean on the wall. Water inlet delay. After the cordless robotic pool cleaner enters the water spraying mechanism, it starts with a delay of 30 seconds, which helps the cordless robotic pool cleaner to smoothly land at the bottom of the pool without rolling during the sinking process. Charging reminder function. When charging, the red light flashes. When the battery is discharged, the green indicator light remains on, and the buzzer will sound for 1 minute. Adaptive movement speed. Cleaning will automatically adjust the movement speed based on the current terrain. It can have good adaptability for pools with a certain slope and can minimize power consumption and extend battery life for flat pools. Thanks for tuning in, pool enthusiasts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell.